I'm a man. Hi guys, my name is Johnston and today I'm going to do a very special cosplay makeup. So the cosplay makeup that I'm doing is Naruto's Haku. So Haku is one of my favorite characters. He's very much like me. I can relate to him on so many levels. Like me and Haku's vibes are like very similar, and therefore I like to cosplay Haku because we are so much on the same wavelength. And also recently I've received a prize from WCS, which is the World Cosplay Summit, and this is the look that I have done. So I'd like to show you guys how I achieved this look. Firstly, I'll wear some brown contacts. Next, I use Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. I'm using a lighter shade so that I can look more anime-like. So most importantly, cover your eye circles and try to have a more consistent skin color. Next, I'll be using an Air Matte Foundation. Next, I'll be drawing my eyebrows. So for anime characters, you will try to make it more arched. So if you notice that I've purposely drawn it like higher than my actual eyebrow, and then I'll try to conceal the eyebrow. Okay, so I'll be moving on to eyeliner. I'm not gonna do eyeshadow first because I put a truckload of eyeliner. So I will always use my eyeliner first and then I'll put my eyeshadow. I know it's a bit unconventional, but trust me, this is how I'll do it to save my eyeshadow. So for me, I have hooded lids, so it's very hard to draw like more eyeliner. So I really need to dot out like how much do I need. Okay, then after that I'll move on with the double eyelid because like I have so much eyeliner, I don't look like I have double eyelid, right? So I must draw my fake double eyelid. So normally I will start off with outlining it with some dark eyeshadow. So after outlining it, right, I'll fill it up with an eyeliner. So try to draw as thin as possible so it will look like a real double eyelid. So normally I'll try to clean up because it looks kinda not very nice. Use some foundation and then at the back of my brush, then I'll just put some foundation in between the layer. So now this is when I draw my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna put some brownish hue and pinkish hue around it. And then the final step for me for my eyes is that I always like to draw like lower lashes because I think that this will make the character look a lot prettier. So this is what I will do. I'll just use an additional eyeliner to clean everything up so I can fill in the blanks and the crevices. So now I'll do some shading. So as usual, I'm just gonna use some brown powder on my nose. Like some people, they really like the very harsh kind of look, but I'm not into that. I normally like to go for a more natural looking kind of nose. So I'll use the foundation again, I'll brush it across so I can try to blend everything together. But this will not make the look too harsh. For the lips, it's very simple. All I need to do is have some lip balm first. What I need is just some pink lips and maybe like a little red tint on it. So for shadow contour, right, maybe for your jawline, sometimes I'll just use the dark eyeshadow and just go ham on. Because you know that you want to have a really defined jawline, right? You need to do this. You can use a blending brush, but I think for the maximum effect, right, you can literally cut wherever and whenever you want. So I know this is a bit crazy, but for the cosplay look, it's fine. And you guys will see why and how. So I'm gonna use some highlighter. It's very important to highlight your nose and your cheeks, so I'm gonna do that. So I think that's more or less for my cosplay makeup, and I'm gonna actually put on the wig and everything on right now. Most importantly, you need to put on the headband to show that you're a ninja, so this is what I'll need to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys really love Haku from Naruto. Show some love for this androgynous beautiful male and show some love to my channel as well. So if you enjoyed this, do give me a like and also subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what kind of other cosplays you might want me to do. So I'm really happy that I have been awarded a prize in World Cosplay Summit, and I really enjoyed the live stream. So I hope you guys do support me in my K-pop and my cosplay career, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!